This is the TCL 85-inch Q6 Series 4K HDR QLED Smart Google television. This is their budget brand television from their Q series, and this thing is awesome, guys. You are going to be so happy with this because you're getting a lot of value for your money with this television. Now, this one specifically, like I mentioned, is the 85-inch, and it looks really, really good. And for the 85-inch, under $1,000, I've seen it as low as $799. So just check the prices, but there's always a great deal on this television. But if you don't want the 85-inch, it also comes out in a 98-inch or as low as a 43-inch. There's all kinds of crazy tech built into this. You get amazing performance for gaming, up to 144 hertz for variable refresh rate on here, high brightness plus, QLED Pro, 4K resolution. So inside the box, what you're gonna find is obviously this television, which is a crazy deal right now across the board, no matter which size you get. But I'm telling you, we did get the 85, and it is a great size for a living space area. You get the legs for the television, you get some paperwork included with it, you get the remote with some batteries, and you also get the power cable. Now, we ended up mounting this TV, and I'll list the mount that we picked up down below. We picked it up on Amazon, and it just basically works great. There's no problems with it at all in terms of hooking it up, and it fits this 85-inch TV amazingly. Now, while you're watching the setup for this television, I did want to show you the side of it where all the ports are. So you get those 4 HDMI ports, and with those 4 HDMI ports, you get a couple of USBs at the top. You get an Ethernet port for wired internet if you want, but it does have Wi-Fi built in. You also get 4 HDMI ports. One is up to 144 hertz. It's going to be great for gaming. You get another one that's 120 hertz. Again, great for gaming. So if you're on Xbox Series X or if you're on the PlayStation 5 or 5 Pro, it's going to work great for that. And then you also have ports 3 and 4, which are 60 hertz, and port 4 is the eARC port. So it doubles as, you can watch television on it, or you can also use it to hook up a sound bar or a sound system. Here's what the mount looks like on the television before we basically connect the stuff on the back to hook it all up. But like I said, this looks amazing in this living room, like crazy good. 85 inch is such a good sweet spot in terms of you don't want to go crazy and get a 98, and you don't want to go too small like a 65 or a 55. 85 inches is freaking amazing, seriously. It looks great, it's a great size, and it just makes everything pop. Setting up the television with the Google Home app is, again, really simple. If you've done it once, you've done it a million times. There's nothing really hard about it at all. Just scan the QR code with your phone, which if you don't even want to do that, you don't have to, but it makes it easier. And then basically it does a software update, log in with your account, and just finish going through the steps of it. Now, this TV does run Google TV, like I mentioned, so you get all of the apps you would absolutely want, from Netflix and YouTube TV, Sling TV, you name it, they have it. And you can also sideload apps if you're into that kind of thing. This thing is absolutely awesome. Really happy so far with this television. I will have 2 more videos at least coming on this, a tips and tricks video and also my final review, but I wanted to give you a quick little look at this Q6 85-inch television. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Are you really curious to see what you guys think about it? And if you want to pick it up, link down below. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.